how to share a post on your creator account page on Patreon. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to patreon.com and log into your account. This is the home page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do is just click right here, go to your creator account, and then all what you have to do now is just scroll down to the post that you want to share. For example, I want to share this one. It's hello world, just for the test. And now click here on this little icon and you will find here the social media: Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Pinterest. Choose the one that you want to share it in and click on it. And if you want to copy the link, click here. Please, if this video was kinda helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.